Another way that you can put it in Schoology is you could upload it to your Google Drive. So just going to google.com, signing in with your district account, you'll get the waffle to click on Google Drive. And it would probably be a good idea to create a new folder just to house all of your screencasts. So I'll click on the plus button for new, a new folder, and I'll give that a name, my screencasts videos, and create that folder. And then you can have a place that you can always put it in. So then to put the video in here, you just click that plus button on the left-hand side, and you click File Upload. Choose your video file that you had saved to your device, and here it is. And then we'll put that in there. All right, once it's uploaded to your Google Drive, you can always double click on it and you can play it. You'll see it, which is pretty cool. All right, to share it out into Schoology, you're going to need to do this. You're going to need to right click on the file here in Google Drive, and you're going to go to Share. From here, you're going to click the Share link, this little icon right here in the top corner. And you're going to want to click this drop down right here, and you're going to want to change it. So you can keep it as Modesto City Schools, just means they would have to log in with their district access when they click on the video to make sure they can see it. One thing that I like is I click More, and I click anyone with the link, the second option here. And I keep it as they can only view it. Click Save. And then you're going to copy this. So you click this button to copy that link. And then in Schoology, again, you can use that Add Materials button. This time you're going to do the Add File Link material option. And because it's a web link, you're going to use the link option. And then you're going to be able to paste it in. And then you can give it a title. And the biggest thing you're going to want to do at this point is make sure you click this icon off. So it should be grayed out. So it's called the display in new window. You do not want that on. And you click add. And then this is what it will look like for the students. In the Schoology course, they just click on it and then it will pop open to play the video. One nice thing of having it in the Google Drive this way, it's a little bit quicker uploads of the video. You can have a little bit longer videos if you do put them in the Google Drive itself than uploading them to Schoology. Again, when you do an assignment, you can actually do the video link in an assignment as well. Do your assignment as normal as you would. And then at this point, when you have the name directions, you just use this link right here. And that's where you're going to put in the Google Drive link that you got, give it a name. And then again, just like the other assignment, they click on the assignment, they can click on the video, and they can play it right there within the assignment. Another place that you can add your video is a discussion. So if you go to Add Materials, go down to Discussion. When you're building out that discussion question, what you want the students to reply to. If you have the Google web link, you can use this link button right here. So this is a nice way to create a discussion title, a question in the description, add your video, and then students can watch the video and then answer a discussion question based on the video itself. So that's another way that you can use the videos. And last but not least, you can add a video to Schoology assessment type material. So with that type of material, you can add multiple choice, true, false, open-ended type questions. If you're staying with the multiple choice, true, false, those types of question types, they can give automatic feedback to students of what they got right or wrong. So that's really nice. So you can have students watch a question, answer a couple questions, get automatic feedback. So with the add assessment, you would click on that material and then you would give it a name, my video questions. How about that? Let's set that to 0, enable it, and category ungraded here, and then click Create. For the immediate feedback, you're going to want to change one setting, scroll all the way down, and right here where it says allow students to view results after attempt is submitted, if you click this drop down, if you say yes with correct answers, that's where they're getting that immediate feedback with these assessment questions. So that's a good thing to have set right there. Then when you're in here, you can click on questions. And depending on the question type that you want, let's say we'll start with multiple choice. I'll show you what it looks like to add a video to any question type. And then right at the top where you have the opportunity to type in your question, when you click in that box, you'll get your toolbar. And what you're looking for is this button right here. It's called the tools. It looks like there's a music note, and maybe it looks like a calculator there. So you want to click on that icon. And then one of the things that you can add is called a video player right here. And then you can add your video with this button. If you have the Google web link that you're sharing out, then all you have to do is click More Options and paste that link right in here. The really great thing about this is you're having the video, then the students can answer the different questions based on that video as they're watching it. And multiple choice true false, you can have it give automatic feedback what they got right or wrong, which is pretty cool.